Okay, let's take a look at our carrots after 7 days and see how they're doing. Oh, look at y'all. Y'all sprouting up good. Okay, carrots. Y'all gonna soon be outside enjoying the spring weather. Continue to grow for us. Look at you, carrots. Okay. Y'all germinated great. Okay, I planted my tomatoes in the garden bed here. Added some basil and surrounded it with some celery to kind of protect it from pests that's trying to eat on the tomato plants. I have 3 of the large cherry tomatoes and 1 of the Creole tomatoes planted in here. Got my onion growing over there. I also added a few garlic in here too. My cabbage over here is still looking good. My artichokes still growing. I added some peas in here to try to give it some nitrogen. Got a little trellis for them to come up. More artichokes. And over here I have some of my seedlings growing. Got some squash that's finally coming up. And I got zucchini. Oh, look at you, zucchini. Got lettuce, some peppers, and the basil. Another Creole tomato there that I'm going to plant in my bell pepper bed once I get it back together. And I have some bell peppers coming in here. The leaves are coming back. And like this is my only one that out of my old ones that's coming back so far. This one still has some green trunks on it, but the rest of them, they look like they brown and then died out. So they may not come back. Okay. Come on, grow back there. You're gonna have some new friends coming along with y'all. There goes some of my peppers growing now. Okay, peppers. Miss Renee, I found me some of them Big Bertha bell peppers that you be growing. I'm gonna try these this season too. See if I can get some of them big bell peppers that you be showcasing. Okay, spring is here. Y'all come on and continue to grow. There's celery growing over here too. And I got some potatoes coming up. Okay, potatoes. Grow a lot, folks. I'm gonna add some more bags to my potatoes. This is the only one I got so far. Yeah, I gotta hurry up and get these slips out of this pot and get them ready to grow my sweet potatoes. But they growing big. Ooh, I have a lot of slips. I have to cut these vines and put them in some water to get some roots on some of them because it's gonna be too long to be going up in the pots. I waited too long before I put them in the sweet potatoes in their pots to grow. I can soon get them out of this one. Seeing some of the leaves turning yellow, so I gotta hurry up and pull these slips and get them started growing. Give me a big harvest of sweet potatoes this season. Looking good. Looking good. Sweet potato slicks.